Let's be honest for a second. How many times have you promised yourself, tomorrow I'm waking up at 4:30 a.m. You set the alarm, feeling motivated. You even imagine how productive you'll be. But then morning comes, the alarm goes off and your brain whispers, just 5 more minutes. Those 5 minutes somehow become 2 hours and then the guilt kicks in. Why can't I stay disciplined? Why am I so lazy? But here's the truth. You're not lazy. Your brain is simply following a habit loop that it's repeated hundreds of times, and habits can be rewired. Today, I'll show you 6 science-backed strategies that make waking up at 4:30 a.m. dramatically easier, even if you failed over and over again. Step 1. Make your alarm impossible to ignore. Keep your phone across the room, not next to your bed. When the alarm rings, you'll have to physically get out of bed to turn it off. That tiny movement interrupts your brain's stay asleep mode, also called sleep inertia, making it much less likely that you'll crawl back into bed. One more trick: rename your alarm. Instead of alarm, make it say, "Your future starts now." A powerful reminder is much harder to ignore than a boring notification. Step 2. Win the night before. Your morning doesn't start at 4:30, it starts the night before. About 30 minutes before bed, put your phone away. The blue light from your screen tells your brain to stay awake, making it harder to fall asleep. Instead, write down one specific thing you'll do after waking up, whether it's working out, studying, reading, or building your business. When your brain knows exactly what comes next, getting out of bed becomes much easier. Step 3. Wake up your brain in 60 seconds. The biggest mistake most people make is grabbing their phone. Within seconds, they're checking notifications, scrolling social media, and losing all their momentum. Instead, drink a glass of water, turn on the lights, or step into natural sunlight and move your body for just 1 minute. A few jumping jacks, stretching, or a quick walk around your room is enough. Water hydrates your body light, resets your circadian rhythm, and movement helps shake off sleep inertia. Water plus light plus movement equals a brain that's ready to go. Step 4. Give your brain a reward. Your brain is driven by rewards. If waking up early only feels painful, your brain will fight it every morning. So give yourself something to look forward to. A great cup of coffee, your favorite playlist, a peaceful sunrise, or 10 minutes with a good book. When your brain expects something enjoyable, waking up becomes easier every day. Step 5. Never miss twice. You're going to oversleep sometimes. Everyone does. Missing one morning isn't failure, it's normal. The real mistake is letting one bad day become 2, then 3, then a week. Remember this simple rule: never miss twice. Progress isn't built through perfection, it's built through consistency. Step 6. Remember why you started. Nobody wakes up at 4:30 a.m. because an alarm rings. They wake up because they have a reason that's stronger than sleep. Maybe you want better grades, a healthier body, a successful business, financial freedom, or simply a better life. Before you sleep each night, remind yourself exactly why tomorrow morning matters. Purpose creates discipline. Bonus tip: don't try to sleep less, sleep better. Keep your bedroom cool, avoid your phone before bed, and go to sleep at roughly the same time every night. Better sleep creates better mornings. Think about this while most people are still asleep. You could already be learning, training, building, and improving. One quiet morning, repeated hundreds of times, can completely change your future. Because waking up at 4:30 a.m. isn't about sacrificing sleep. It's about becoming the kind of person who keeps promises to themselves. So tonight, set the alarm, put your phone across the room, and tomorrow morning, meet the future version of yourself.